Hey guys, Alyssa here with Diesel Power Products. If your alignment never seems to stay put on your HD truck, worn cam bolts could be your problem. Factory hardware takes a beating over time, especially with bigger tires, rough roads, or towing heavy. That's where the Kryptonite Cam Bolt Kit comes in, designed specifically for the 01 to 10 GM 2500 and 3500 trucks. This heavy-duty kit is built to help you lock in proper suspension alignment and eliminate unwanted movement in your front end setup. Compared to worn factory hardware, these upgraded cam bolts are built to improve durability and long-term reliability. That means better alignment retention, more predictable handling, and reduce uneven tire wear. Whether you're daily driving, towing, or running a lifted setup, keeping your alignment dialed matters. Because a solid front end doesn't just drive better, it saves you money in the long run. If you're tired of chasing alignment issues, upgrade the hardware that holds it all together. Get yours today at dieselpowerproducts.com.